Hi friends, it's your buddy Matt, the Global Ergonomist here for Everyday Ergo. Wanted to bring you up to speed on something that has to do with physical ergonomics. It was back sometime years ago. I was working at a big, dirty, dangerous paper mill about 40 miles west of here with 1,300 employees. And one thing we encountered all the time, it seemed, were shoulder injuries, rotator cuff injuries. And I had owned for the better part of a decade my own award-winning outpatient rehab center, and so I was very familiar with shoulder injuries and how to recover them and also prevention methods. And one of the most valuable tools we used back in the day was something called an oscillating exerciser. The commercial brand name was a body blade, and you can imagine it. It's both ends of it shake as you shake it in the middle. Long thing, about 5 feet long. The problem with the commercial body blade that I had in my clinic was it was expensive, and these were workers at a paper plant. They were well paid, but still I didn't want to see them going out and having to buy a body blade. So we put our heads together and we were able to fashion oscillating exercisers with just hardware tools, equipment actually. We used Schedule 40 3/4 inch PVC, about 7, 8, 10 foot lengths, and we put galvanized ends on them, and we put insulation in the center and wrapped it in black electrical tape so they had a soft grip. Basically, we came up with a warm-up device for shoulder work as well as a rehab device for about 12 to 15 bucks, roughly 1/10 the cost of the commercial body blade. I bring this up because this is the kind of interesting things that you can encounter when working on site with skilled craftsmen and come up with inventions and ideas yourself. And it's really fascinating and rewarding work to be able to do that, working with people in different areas of expertise in the field where these sort of things present themselves as problems do and solutions do as well. I hope you find this interesting, and if you have any experiences that are similar, feel free to leave your comments below. We always welcome your comments. So until next time, this is your Global Ergonomist, Matt Jeffs, for Everyday Ergo, asking you to ask yourself, what are you working on today? Okay? See you next time, everybody. Bye-bye.